Hello students, how are you? This is economics lesson video for grade 12, presented by me, Mr. Fitzmermes. It is for term 1, week 2 and lesson 4. In today's lesson, we are going to deal with the unit 3 topic, the industrial sector in Ethiopia, particularly definition of industrial sector and arguments of industrial sector versus with the rest of other economic sectors. Okay, students, as usual, let us briefly revise the previous lesson. In the previous session, we have dealt with the agricultural policies and strategies during the Derg and the PRDF government. In relation to the Derg period, there was a change in the official national ideology to socialist principle, and the state control of the economy was overextended. There was total domination and control of the state over various economic activities. Agriculture were part of that. And the comprehensive and minimum package projects, which were launched during the imperial regime, also continued here in the Derg period, but some of their names were being changed into the other one. Finally, all these minimum and comprehensive package projects were transferred to the Peasant Agricultural Development Extension Project, which were not effective, and it came to an end in 1988 because of shortage of fund and change of in the change in the administration structure. That was the reason for the collapse of the Peasant Agricultural Development Extension Project. Then the government also tried to organize the smallholder farming system in different socialist lines. There were associations and cooperatives for the purpose of collective production, marketing of agricultural output, and the distribution of agricultural input. For these three different purposes, the government tried to organize the smallholder farming system into peasant associations, service cooperatives, and producers cooperatives. Again, this was not effective, and farmers or peasants were suffering from various problems. They were not enabled to make a decision in their own affairs. Poor leadership and embezzlement, and much emphasis were given for politics other than providing solution for their agricultural problems. Because of these reasons, the cooperatives were not effective. In general, we characterize the agricultural policies and strategies of the military government with six major different points. Nationalization of all private commercial farm was one of the major characteristics of the Derg period, in prohibition of private investment in agricultural sector, involuntary collectivization of peasants into peasant association, forced villagization in settlement, forced for grain quota delivery system, restriction of the movement of agricultural output were the major characteristics of the agriculture